This is Nigel Thorne from Monitor Sports with the third in our series, Ski Shooting for Beginners. Today, ski shooters, we're talking technique, more specifically skating. And I don't mean ice skating, but skating with skis. We're going to start by affixing our ski boot to the ski as follows. Oh, right! Oh, skating ski shooting is all about high speed, high energy, power and rhythm. Transferring your weight from the left to the right, just like the cha-cha. I'll show you how it's done. Now we've learned how to skate ski shooters. In the next episode of Ski Shooting for Beginners, we'll be learning how to shoot. Can you help? Has anyone got any scissors?